Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bексултанова Айханым. I'm from Old Town region, Kyrgyzstan city, and I study in a specialized boarding school named after Abay. And today, I would like to start my presentation with a question. Have you ever received a suspicious message of asking your bank account data? Today, such situations are becoming more common, especially in Kyrgyzstan. And this is why cybersecurity is very important. And as you may have already understood, the profession I'm choosing is cybersecurity specialist. A cybersecurity specialist protects computer systems, networks, and personal data from cyber attacks. I chose this profession because I'm interested in technology, and I want to protect people and companies from digital threats. It is a modern and highly demanded profession for the future. And to better understand this profession, let's take a look at its history. Cybersecurity began in the 1970s when the first computer networks appeared. The first experimental computer virus, Creeper, led to the creation of the first antivirus program, Reaper. In 1977, Whitfield Diffie and Martin Hellman developed public key cryptography, which became the foundation of modern Internet security. Interesting fact, the Creeper was a harmless but annoying virus that displayed the message, "I am the Creeper, catch me if you can." But today, digital information is not always fully protected. Every day, more than 6,000 cyber attacks occur worldwide. Over 60% of companies experience at least one cyber attack each year. Millions of personal data records are stolen annually. And what exactly cybersecurity specialists do? They protect computer systems and networks, detect and stop cyber attacks, secure personal and company data, and monitor systems and fix security risks. And next, I would like to introduce several famous cybersecurity experts. Eugene Kaspersky, co-founder and CEO of Kaspersky, a leading global cybersecurity company. Parisa Tabriz, cybersecurity expert and vice president general manager of Chrome at Google, promoting user security and privacy. Hao Wei-Chen, cybersecurity professional with more than 20 years of experience, leading security strategy at Coupang, South Korean company, and Rini Forni, cybersecurity leader managing security products for government and private organizations. And all these people have certain qualities, which I divided them to two: technical skills and personal skills. Technical skills are knowledge of computer systems and networks, programming and cybersecurity tools, risk analysis and system monitoring. And personal skills, analytical thinking, attention to details, problem-solving ability, and of course responsibility and continuously learning. And let's take a look at the next point. These are pros and cons of the cybersecurity profession. The pros are the very high demand. The world currently needs about 4.8 million more cybersecurity specialists, showing a major global shortage. Fast career growth. Cybersecurity jobs are expected to grow by about 30–35% in the next decade, much faster than most professions. High salary. The average cybersecurity salary is around $100,000 per year worldwide, and from $30,000 to $45,000 in Kyrgyzstan. A strong job stability. Because cybersecurity threats are increasing, companies, banks, governments, and international organizations constantly need security specialists. And since all professions have their minuses, I want to introduce them. It's highly responsibility for protecting important data and systems, stressful situations when responding to cyber attacks, irregular working hours during emergencies or security incidents, and long time spent working at a computer, which can cause eye strain, fatigue, and health problems if proper breaks are not taken. And due to the fact that cybersecurity is becoming more extensive, there are many places where you can study it. These are top 5 universities in the world for computer science by QS subject ranking. First is MIT, consistently ranking #1 globally for computer science and information systems. Second is Carnegie Mellon University, tied for second place globally. Third is Stanford University, also second place globally. University of Oxford, ranked at #4 in the world, and University of California, Berkeley, ranked at #5 globally. And these are top universities in Kyrgyzstan for cybersecurity science or related fields. First is Al-Farabi Kazakh National University, ranked 163rd in globally in QS World University Ranking 2026. Second is Gumilev Eurasian National University, ranked 370th globally. Third is Satpayev University, ranked 331st globally. And Nazarbayev University appears in some QS regional listings, and the International University of Information Technologies, known for its strong IT and computer programs, so not yet in QS subject ranking. And cybersecurity specialists are needed in many sectors because almost all organizations use digital systems and data. And these are places where you can work with this profession. First is IT and technology companies, banks and financial organizations, government and law enforcement agencies, international corporations and large businesses, healthcare organizations, education institutions, and e-commerce and online service companies. And I collected real examples of scam attempts received by people around me. My mom, my friend, and I were subject to cyber attacks. My mom was hacked, and the scammer sent a message to all her contacts with a request to send money. My friend received a message with a lot of errors from an unknown and suspicious number. I also received a suspicious message about a job offer. And then I analyzed all these messages to identify warning signs, such as urgency, request for codes, asking for help, mistakes in the text, and suspicious links. Second, this helped me understand how social engineering attacks work in real life. And also, I created examples showing how people often respond incorrectly to scam message and developed correct response models demonstrating safe online behavior. This practice helped me understand how cybersecurity specialists educate users and promote digital safety. In the first picture, this user gets a message from a friend asking for money. The victim feels sorry for them and sends the money immediately without checking who it really is. This is a classic scam. A fake bank account tries to scare the second user into giving a secret code. The user stays calm, refuses to share data, and blocks the number. This is how you stay safe. And these are short tips what you should do and should not do in these situations. You should ignore the message, verify information through official sources, block and report the sender, protect your account by changing password if needed. And what you don't do is do not reply to suspicious message, do not click unknown links, do not share passwords or verify codes, do not send money to unknown numbers. And this is my first practical steps towards becoming a cybersecurity specialist. I made a website. In the first page, there is information about my cybersecurity awareness project. There is my mission, why does the project matter, and my practical work. And second page is a security checklist that includes information how to recognize suspicious message, how to check suspicious links, and how to create a strong password. And third page, there is a real scam message examples. The website includes security checklists, scam examples, interactive safety tools. And about safety tools, I put two buttons in the second page. It's a report scam and generate strong password buttons. By the report scam, you can observe a short instruction of what to do if you receive a scam message. And the second button, by pressing it, you can generate a strong password. And my cybersecurity awareness website is available online and can be accessed using the link or QR code. The project helps users recognize scam attempts, create strong passwords, and improve their overall digital safety. And now it's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.